Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Police. Brand Police is a designer brand from Italy, and the main business is accessorize like hats, gloves, sunglasses and things like that. But they have quite an extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio, probably around 50 to 60 of them, both for both gender, men and women. And this one is just came out few days ago or a few weeks ago, very new, and because I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, I had to get it and see how it goes. And the great news about it, this is very affordable. It's under £20. Usually with House of Police and their fragrances, they smell good. The only problem with them is the performance. They don't perform that well. Obviously there are exceptions to the rules. There are a few of their fragrances that quite well performing, but majority of them on the weak to moderate. But we are talking about under £20 in United Kingdom. In other parts of the world you have to do your research, see if it's available and how much it goes for. So this is the box, as it says silver Allure, so it is silver all over, and it is a typical box from them, very simple, very simplistic, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Let's go with the unboxing. But before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They are amazing value for money and they smell great and they are a hidden gem. Your support, your help, your likes, your subscription, your comments, your share, all of these things will keep me going in this endeavor. There are many perfume reviewers that they don't do it anymore. The main reason is the cost. The cost is so high. I am paying on average for each video about £50, and I'm getting from the the YouTube monetization around £5. So 90% I am paying from my own pocket. Of course, this is my hobby. I love what I'm doing. I've been collecting perfumes since I was a teenager, yes, but if I cannot afford it anymore, that's it. I would one day I would say thank you very much, bye bye, and see you later. So if you don't want to see that, you don't want me to stop, you don't want me to say goodbye, you don't want me to stop reviewing fragrances, please do your part, and that part is very easy. It's just a movement of a finger, and it doesn't cost you anything. Unless you want to buy me a coffee, you could do that in the comment as well. There's a super chat there, there's a symbol of a heart in there, you could do that as well. Or you could buy one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return as well. They are out of this world. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money. They are very mysterious, very artistic, very unique. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I'll leave them in the link as well. Thank you very much, and as always, and let's go. So sorry about the noise. So simple box. That's quite nice. Attention to detail is there. Come on, please don't let me down. Okay. And the bottle is going to be a typical bottle from this line, which is, I think it's called Contemporary line or something like that. They are quite nice in terms of looking. They're good looking. They're not bad in terms of bottle design. The only other problem is that with atomizers, the atomizers, they are usually not very good. So let's see this one if it's a same thing or exception to the rule. So let's show you the bottle itself. Quite good looking bottle. The juice itself is light blue, and the logo of police, which is the wings here, very good looking, and it curves a little bit here, and it says police Allure, silver Allure at the toilet, 100 ml, and the cap is plastic, and the atomizer, here we go, let's see, the atomizer is modern and silver, same thing, not good, it's pathetic, but it does the job. Anyway, so with each sprayer is like a quarter of a normal spray, so you need to go many, like every 3 sprays you do is like a 1 normal sprayer, so that's why I went a little bit more. Okay, here we go. First sniff, first impression. Smells good. Smells very fresh, smells quite sweet, and little on the spicy side, but the spices are fresh, so I'm getting a little bit of herbal feel, little bit of maybe tiny bit of cinnamon, little bit of clove maybe in here, just to making it a little bit interesting. But first thing opened up sweet and fresh, so it's sweet, fresh, very heavy on the citrus right now. I'm smelling orange, I'm smelling lemon, I'm smelling bergamot, maybe even a little bit of grapefruit, so it's very, very super zesty. So zesty, happy, bright, sweet in the same time. Yeah, I smell tonka in here, I smell maybe a little bit of vanilla as well. So it's a combination of vanilla and tonka bean to give it a sweetness, but it's not overly sweet. It's a quite balance between the freshness and the sweetness. The freshness mainly coming from those citruses, plus a little bit of spices, and also a little bit of herbal feel. So I'm smelling something herbal in here, tiny bit of herbalness, and also a little bit green. Overall it's quite watery as well, so watery, green, grassy, little bit of leafiness to it as well. In the mid I'm smelling something rosy, so it is a little bit of rose, but it's got a white floral aspect to it as well, so I'm smelling something like jasmine. So rose and jasmine in here, making it a little bit on the floral side, but not too much. Is mostly you don't feel them that much, but there are some softness in the mid, which is coming from those two, rose and the jasmine. Definitely woody base. The woods are here quite clean, cedar plus maybe a little of sandalwood in here to keep it going and keep carrying everything and round everything up. So for the first impression, very, very good. Smell wise, amazing. Smell, especially under 20 pounds, it smells very good, smells fresh, smells spicy, smells floral, smell sweet, tonka bean, little of vanilla, white florals plus a little of rose in the mid, and also very citrusy in the beginning. Zesty, 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 very, very citrusy, very happy, very bright, sweet, fresh, little bit of watery aspect to it, and overall it's like a combination of blue green as well, and also quite spicy in the meantime. So everything is smells good in here. It opened up a hint of alcohol, tiny bit of alcohol, but not much. It's not a huge alcohol, but after a few seconds it went to the perfume itself. Although it's eau de toilette, but it smells good for eau de toilette, and the perfumery is quite nicely done in here. Under 20 pounds, yes, 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 please. But the judgment is still reserved because of the performance. If the performance is anything acceptable, let's say is a moderate performer, something like 5-6 hours, then we have a banger on our hand, because it's fresh, it's eau de toilette, and it smells good, and it's under 20 pounds. For that performance, I'll be happy. But if it's just 1 or 2 hours or something like that, then it'll be a little bit on the disappointing side. So we have to wait and see how it goes with the performance, development, things like that, which is going to be in the next video. I'll let you know those things in the next video to see how it goes. But for the first impression, for the smell and the smell itself and the perfume itself, yes, 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 I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. It absolutely smells very, very good. Yeah, smells good. Smells good. Age, I would say, is one of those very friendly DNA, but it's got a little bit of classical feel to it. So I would say 25 and up to in the safe side. In terms of season, definitely better for warmer weather. In terms of the sex, although it is leaning masculine, anybody can wear it. If you like, if you are a lady and you like this kind of smell, you can wear it as well. In terms of occasion, this is very casual. It's quite casual, it's quite relaxed, quite happy. It is not too complicated. This is on the simpler side of things, but smells good and it's very refreshing and it's very inviting. And it's very happy. And it's very alluring, as it says, Silver Allure. So far so good. Yes, yes, yes. I'm loving it for the first and the first impression, for the smell itself only, and for the perfumery. Yes, but as I said, let's see how it goes in the performance side of things, which usually with House of Police they are not very good, but there are some exceptions to the rules. So let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, if you have it, if you know, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are a hidden gem. And this one looks like it's going to be a hidden gem, at least for now. If you want to purchase one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. I am the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in United Kingdom. They are Ultra Beast Mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, very high quality, one of the best in the world, if not the best, for what you pay and what you get. And they are very unique, very artistic, very, very mysterious. They are like time capsule. They take you to different places, different times. And if you smell them for the first time, you'll be amazed what quality you're getting. It's all about quality, quality, and more quality. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.